been together for 6 years now, and you used to snowboard a lot when we lived in Colorado, and then you've never snowboarded really since then, once we've left, which was 5 years ago.
Yeah, I went a few times to California with some of my coworkers, but because of your knees, you never went with me.
No, and my knees have just gotten older, so it doesn't really help. But I do have a snowboard, and I used to go snowboarding when I was younger.
So now we're going snowboarding together.
For the first time. And I'm gonna try to make it down the hill without breaking anything.
Well, we're all gonna do that. We're all older.
We're all old.
We're at the airport right now, the Denver airport. We're flying to Baltimore to my sister's place, and we're going with her fam.
You're on flight number 604. We are headed to Baltimore and then on to Norfolk. Thank you so much for joining us and welcome aboard. Those we've been cleared for departure. Enjoy your flight. Just doing this here in Southwest. Again, welcome to Baltimore.
We've arrived in Baltimore.
It's brisk.
It's quite brisk and it's cold.
Fur.
Tomorrow, snowboarding.
Yay! Here's our ride.
Hello.
Hey, hey. Packed full, ready for skiing. We ready?
Yeah. Hey! What you doing?
You ready? You ready to go skiing?
Yeah. Was not expecting this. Me neither.
Ooh.
We're in our house. Let's go. We're at the skiing trip.
All right, we made it to Shawnee Mountain. This is Matt and Cass. This is my sister Tiffany, her husband Alan, and Evan and Avery. Lessons! Woohoo! We're ready to ski. This is exciting. This is our first time as husband and wife and ever.
Not even husband and wife, just ever.
Ever in 6 years on a ski lift together. I'm so excited.
I'm gonna take her out.
Let's just keep our fingers crossed everything goes well.
It's been a long time.
It's been a while.
Just doing like my back edge a bunch for stopping because it's been a long time, and then like the section where it's like mellowed out a bunch, and then I started like switching back and forth.
Yeah, so how do you feel?
Okay, I guess.
You made it down without...
I know, I made it without catching an edge, so that's
That's great. And I still got it. think so.
Well, no, don't.
Hold on, hold your hat, Avery. Woo! Woo! Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Oh boy.
Oh my God.
Oh gosh. It was like turbo. I am. You beat me! Our last day, first day went really good. We still got it.
Yeah, my knees didn't explode, so I'm pretty happy about that.
You did great, babe.
Not bad after 10 years. Not bad.
So proud of you guys. We're sitting here outside the activity center at the place that we stayed at in the Poconos. Yesterday was an amazing ski day, and today we're relaxing. We went to the pool, we're playing arcade games, and driving home.
This is the end.
This is the end.